Hello there guys, week number 5 of the Red Noses for 2022. You know the drill by now. I open up 5 blind boxes of Red Noses, open them up. If they're a new one, then I'll read out the character description. Although we don't have any new ones, so I'll read out the character descriptions just in case you guys need a refresher. Just as a little point of reference, the ones we got entirely last week, or rather last 4 weeks, last month, are right here. And right here is every single nose you can get, apart from Cam, because Cam is the 1 in 400. So we have got Dash, we have got Chip, not Rocco, we've got Lucky, we have got Sky, we've got Flo, we've got Dot, and that is Rocco right there. And that's every nose. But you know me, I still have half a display box to go through. So I'm going to go randomly. I'm going to go that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one. That's 5 boxes. Let's close her up, stick her back up there. And we have 5 more boxes to go through. Which one should I do this time? We're just going to stack them up because I can, and we'll go from the top down. So, box number 1 this week, or box number 21 overall. Let's see what we have. We have got we have Dash, the sloth. Let me read out the stats on Dash. So, Dash, Sleepy Dash loves trying to keep up with Bestie Dot. There we go. Next up, but nose number 2 for this week, nose number 22 for the 2022 Red Noses. We have got, we've got Lucky. It's amazing just how quickly you actually pick up the names of them, especially when you've been opening them, well, for 5 weeks now. Box number 3, box number 23, however you're looking at it. We have got, do we have Cam in this one? No, we have Chip. This is Chip. Chip. Not Rocco, Chip. Oh, sorry, I did not read out Lucky or Chip. So, for Lucky, where is Lucky? Lucky, kind, brave, and totally rawsome. Lucky's the leader of this wild bunch. And for Chip, Happy Hippo Chip always has a joke to tell and a smile to share. That's nice. Box number 4, box number 24, however you want to look at it. Cut the seal, and we have Dot. Hey, Dash's best friend, but sorry, you are being separated. And bio on Dot is, if I can find her on here, there's no stopping Dot, who can often be spotted racing Dash. You can usually guess who wins. And box number 5, box number 25, is going to be our first week without a duplicate. Let's see. It is! We have Flo the Flamingo! Flo, with those fabulous feathers and a flair for performing, Flo's ready to take to the stage. And that, my friends, is our first week without any duplicates in the video. Fantastic. Now I have to put them all because, I mean, you can see them poking out there. Anyway, we're going to stop here. We've done the 5. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If you have enjoyed, then hit that like button, get subscribed, ring that notification bell to be notified when the next one goes live, because next video, I've got something special to tell you about. But that's enough teasing for that one. I'll see you guys next time. Adios.